to show you a recipe of mine for a delicious and fortifying protein shake. I think you'll enjoy it. It helps me get that extra bit of nutrition. Let's go. Alright, first thing I do is I blend a can of Dole pineapple. Remove most of the juice, but just leave enough to make it usable. Ingredient number 2 is 1 can of Coco Lopez cream of coconut. Not really sure why that specific brand, but I'm fond of it. So now I'm blending the pineapple and coconut milk. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of white rum, and then 1/4 cup of Hawaiian dark rum. Next, you're going to add the juice of 1 lime. Oh crap. Then lastly, there's the salt. Alright, and the last step, you're going to transfer your liquid into your ice cream machine. Okay, and now we just leave it in the ice cream machine for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's partially frozen. Now that enough time has passed that it's partially frozen, we can transfer it into our glass. Alright, and here it is. So it has about 1.6 grams protein. Make sure you get at least 1 gram of protein per pound of weight. For example, I weigh 180 pounds, so that's about 112, something like that. Yeah. Enjoy.